Hey guys, Babatunde Motao here, and today I just wanted to say a quick one on the Oraimo Rhymes. Some of you will be expecting the review, like, okay, drop it today or tomorrow. Though I promised you guys that I'm going to drop it tomorrow, but I don't think it will be possible. So what I'll be saying in the review, or the points that I have, I'm just going to tell you guys. As you can see, that is what I'm using right now, and these guys are solid. So let me tell you some of these points and the upcoming product from Oraimo. All right, the first one is the game mode. The game mode of these guys, that is the Oraimo Rhymes, is just very good. So if you are switching to the gaming mode, this is going to work for you. If you are playing PUBG, Call of Duty, or anything that you are playing on it, guys, you are going to notice a massive difference, and it's going to help you to reduce the latency. It is not going to be zero, but it's going to be very reduced. You can use the link in the description or right on the screen right now. Okay, you are going to be hearing the gunshot and everything at almost the same time these things go up. And if you are using it for gaming mode, just know that it's going to eat into your battery life. It's not going to give you the 6.5 they claimed. That is 6.5 hours. It's going to give you about 4 hours thereabouts. So my advice is, if you are using the gaming mode, use it only when you are playing games. Another amazing feature that you are going to find on this Oraimo Rhyme is the volume controls. Yes, the volume controls work pretty well. So if you want to go up or down, you just have to touch it once. On the left or on the right, it's going to increase or decrease it respectively. I've tested it and it works. That leads us to the touch sensor side. The touch sensor works very well, very responsive. Even if you want to confuse the Earbuds, if you tap like 3 or 4 times, it's just going to be looking at you and beep and stop. Okay, so you have the tap once, tap twice, and press hold function on these guys to help you to use this Earbuds well. Oraimo Rhyme is just the best one to go for in case you want to get one right now. Battery life is 6 hours, not 6.5 hours as Oraimo claim, but at least it's still decent enough for someone that wants an Earbuds that can last that long. So when it comes to the core quality on this Oraimo Rhymes, you are getting one of the best. You are getting environmental noise cancellation feature on this Earbuds, and they work like magic. I've used it to call a lot of people, and I noticed that during my testing, all the calls were clear, and there was no time that I have issue with the line or breakage, or except maybe there is network issue. Okay, so if you are using it for call, you are good to go. Sound quality is very good. Okay, if you are using this for any song that has much bass, you are going to enjoy it a bit, but the bass is not that full like the Oraimo Freepods 3 that I told you during my testing, my first impression. So you are getting something good. It's decent, but it's not full as Oraimo Freepods 3. I hope I'm going to make a review video on that, or a comparison video rather, on the Oraimo Freepods 3 versus this Oraimo Rhyme. Okay, so this is just the real deal. You'll be getting the active noise cancellation feature on these guys. They are working very well, but you are not getting that premium one that is on the Oraimo Freepods. Just some information about the new products that are coming from Oraimo. So we'll be having new smart bulb and new power banks from Oraimo, and a lot more that I have gotten information about, but I can't confirm. But the two that I know about right now that I can tell you about is the power bank. Oraimo will be releasing a new power bank, and the new power bank is the PowerBox 50. Yeah, the PowerBox 50 is a 50,000 mAh power bank that Oraimo will be releasing very soon, and this is going to charge a lot of devices. If you come with the ANIFAS technology, that means you can use it to charge any of your device, big or small. It's going to charge it up with the fastest charge possible. You don't need to go and buy another generator. If I were you, I'll just stay wait for this and get it once it is out. Another one that will be coming out is the Oraimo Smart Bulb. This Oraimo Smart Bulb will come very soon. I can't say exactly, but any moment from now you'll be getting this Oraimo Smart Bulb, because this Oraimo Smart Bulb is a very good one. It will be coming with 6 cent mode. That means you can change it. You can change the color from like blue to purple to pink to Orishi color, various colors, and it's going to make the room look nice. I think I'm going to get one too once it is out. I can't wait for it because it has smart timer and some other features like smart app, and you can sync it up to your app, and it will get some settings and stuff like that. So a lot of them are still coming out. Like a new keyboard will be coming out soon, a new keyboard kit, and a lot. So just stay tuned. If you want to get the review of these product, I will advise you, I will suggest you just go down there and click that subscribe button and notification bell, okay, and join the channel, fund the channel, and buy through the affiliate links. That's it on the screen, and I'll see you on the next one. Please stay safe. Bye for now. Peace.